Oh, damn, that shines right through it.
What?
I put a piece of paper on it, look. 2. You want one? I got a big German Shepherd and a Jack Russell. Hush. I said you're too smart.
Wow.
That was a good one. Oh, he used to get these bottle big.
I got a bowel movement right there.
He used to have these big bottle rockets. I mean, they were like 3 foot tall. You talk about pretty.
Oh, I tell you, we had some one time that they were on a stick about that long, and it was about big as a pop can.
He was sitting there. Dud. They couldn't save it.
No, heck no.
Right beside a fire department.
No, there wasn't gonna be no saving that. I even told them years and years ago. Once it goes, it was gonna be a bad situation. Wow.
There goes another $10. Georgetown Oaks.
I took off running and then passed.
He's like, I want to go to a ball game. I'm like, they're not playing.
Wow. That rattle your cage.
Videotape, y'all. Back up, girls.
Here, somebody take this one. Put that one. Yeah. Oh,
Oh, you gonna start shooting at everybody?
JC, grab it.
They're gonna take it. They're taking off now.
Gertie, come back over here.
Just keep them aimed out there. Oh, she's alright right there. Yeah, she's fine. Just keep them away.
don't put my butt.
I'm glad I got that on video.
Don't burn my butt. My biscuits are burning.
I see.
That's all she wrote.
I see 4 little embers.
Yeah, they'll start just going right back. Wow. That went $10.
I put my foot off.
You burned your foot off.
Yes.
Well, they say the people with missing fingers and eye patch sell the best fireworks.
Yeah.
I should have.